Welcome back to another Ferrari video. In this video, actually, we're gonna start working inside the car. We're gonna rip the whole interior out, dashboard, seats, carpet, panels, headliner, everything, and take it to a shop to get a restage, and we'll go from there. First, we're gonna be pulling the seats, and then probably the center, and go from there, maybe the carpet.
here's an update on the car so far. We have one guy taking a nap in there. But mostly we took everything out except the dash. That's what we're working on right now. We got the panels out, the seats, the carpets, all the trims and moldings in the back, and the headliner halfway done. We're trying to go step by step so that we don't break any clips. And there's directions to follow. For example, to take this piece off, you have to take this one off to get to this screw. So everything is in water and everything is coming out beautiful. But this is what the car looks like right now. For such a compact car inside, there's a lot of parts that came out from there. You guys can see that everything is pretty much stripped. And look at this right here. This is all from in there.
So that's 1 hour screw. It's like there's no way to get to that one. So I had to use this and then this and go little by it's out. And just like that. I'll be here for a little bit.
Good night.
Oh. Alright, so everything is finally out. Dashboard, carpet, seats, panels, everything is out. For now we have everything on the floor, and then we'll have to work on the design to see what color we go and what kind of material. But for now, this is it. So we did come up with a little design for this interior, and I also separate them because not everything is going to a shop. Some of them are gonna stay here, get it done over here. Some of them we don't have to do anything, but everything that's here that I'm gonna show you guys is gonna go in the truck, and I'll take that to a shop. Alright, so this is what you see right now. Everything is gonna get a new color, a new material. That's the dashboard, 2 door panels, 2 seats. Everything goes behind the seats, all the panel. That's the headliner, that's the center. Basically, we're changing the material, we're changing the color. I mean, look at this color, it's dirty. Even if you wash it, it's not gonna be all the same. But yeah, everything is gonna be new, fresh. I can't really talk about color right now, what color is gonna be, but stay tuned because in the next video you'll see everything done. I took everything to a shop and I'm waiting for them to get the material and start working on the interior. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and install the new carpet that we got because the old one, it's no go. Alright, so finally done with the carpet. And this is a barely used carpet. It's a little dirty right now, but I'll clean it up after we install all the panels, dashboard and everything else. But for now, this is it. All nice and straight. This is a wrap for today's video. We do have the interior at the shop getting done right now. The minute they're done, I'm gonna go ahead, pick it up, install it on the Ferrari, and we go from there. But we did got a new build for the channel. If you guys didn't see it, smash the subscribe button. That way you don't miss none of the new builds. That's a 2015 McLaren 650 Spider, and we did actually post a video not long ago. And if you guys watch that video, you will see the damage, how we bought it, and some of the details. But for now, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram, it's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.